There's nothing much, we have 3 games to go and we know what at stake and we are working towards it. And I believe the 3 games left, yes, we cannot leave any stone on top. We are taking the 3 points all the games.
Yes, Gokulam have been playing very good football. No wonder they have been beaten all the big 3 teams now. And it's very tough playing with a team who is on song. And but the boys are motivated and ready for the battle. And as I said before, we have quality in our team, which I am sure you will be seeing on display tomorrow.
Actually, I don't even know what to say about that 3 games because I believe the first game here, I call this game home ground because our home ground is in their room. Let's just we underrated them, and we learn a lesson from them, Then after the local game, it was just a hard luck, It was just a hard luck because we got all our chances, but we did not make use of it, But just one of got at the end of the game, they mixed of it. So the last game, I believe the 3 games is just a lesson to us. So we must know what to do now.